Hello guys, hope you're doing great. This is a special video series that I've created for my publishers, and in here all the things that I had been teaching you, we will experiment it on a publisher's account. We will optimize the publisher's account and measure uplift. By the end of this video, you'll see clear results of revenue uplift. So what is our plan on actually uplifting the revenue for the publisher? What we'll do is we'll review the site that our publisher has shared and look for issues. Firstly, we'll be applying the ad code fixes and basic errors that we see in the ad code. Then we'll again review the site and make changes in the ad layout and placement. So overall, if we feel that this ad should be positioned like this, or if we introduce a multi-size for this ad request, revenue could be optimal, we'll be tweaking that and we will be making those changes. Then we'll be implementing ad exchange sticky ads, and this is again a very good way to make revenue. So publisher has already implemented sticky ads, but they have used a plugin called as Flat CPM. They are not using the GPT library for implementing sticky ads. So we'll do this via the GPT library so that your sticky behavior is consistent with that of the other sites. After that, we'll be implementing interstitial from Ad Exchange. So this again is a very good ad in it when it comes to revenue, and we see anywhere between 10 to even 50% uplift when implementing interstitial. So interstitial is one of the best ad units when it comes to CPM. Now after that, we'll be making pricing rule changes, and I'm very excited for this because publisher saw my YouTube video. He came to me and in the initial days, the first day, sorry, not the initial day, in the first day he was able to see a revenue uplift that was crazy. So I would just jump into the account and show you. So he didn't do it rightly, still he was actually seeing an uplift more than 200% already. So the things I've mentioned you about the 200% revenue increase, it's just not for the clickbait. Publisher has already started seeing revenue changes by just implementing the pricing rules, and at the end we'll measure the uplift after doing all these changes. All in all, it will be a practical video lessons, and we will apply the things that I have taught you earlier practically, and we'll do this end to end. This will be a series of videos that I'll be uploading so that you can do it and you can follow along with me in a systematic manner.